我係 Alvin 啊！好高興啊！我哋今日參加咗温恰高嗰個活動，希望咧以後佢多啲搞辦呢啲活動咧，咁我哋咧可以繼續喺度 enjoy 繼續玩。多謝晒。係我 join 咗 group 咧，我哋係 singer 嚟嘅，佢係唱歌啫，因為我哋唔識玩樂器。
係啦，咁我哋初嚟咧就諗住悶㗎，但係原來咧每一個星期六、星期五晚我哋 looking forward 呢個星期六嘅朝頭早，就好多謝温恰啦、Eddie 啦、Sam 啦、Stephen 全部幫我哋好多。咁咧我有一樣嘢要講，我哋本來咧就係中年多少少，但係而家咧參咗個 group 之後，我哋係中年少。Thank you。
我係再多2個鐘頭嘅喺呢度嘅唱歌，多謝，very good。Thank you。
好開心參加呢個 program，唱過好多未唱過嘅歌，咁同埋咧就真係一個新嘗試咯，未夾過 band 啊！以前我覺得夾 band 好鬼型啊，咁今次自己都有份啊，好開心。就有咩貢獻冇咩貢獻，不過為自己開心，為自己嘅快樂添咗筆，係咁。
Hello， 我係阿張子秋，我話喺呢個 group 咧由6月玩翻依家，每個禮拜都咁開心。不過我咧就啱啱翻香港啊幾日啦，咁啊翻嚟咧，香港嗰啲啊唔識唱我哋嗰啲歌㗎。一個兩個咧都係唔知嗰啲交晒俾先生又學得到。如果你有得玩有得練咧，阿 Sir 又教得好啊！又有嘢食咁啊，真係你第度揾唔到㗎嚇。信阿 James 嚇，香港冇，呢度有。
好，音樂無分國界，亦都冇分年齡，所以我覺得呢個 program 好有意義嘅。我哋啲唔係好敢唱歌嘅人咧，喺呢度咧仍然可以盡量去發揮，亦都可以提起大家嗰種感覺，對我哋嘅生命啦，對我哋嘅歡樂啦。多謝各位。
好開心可以參加到温恰，我哋學到好多嘢啦，唱歌越嚟越好，同埋識到班好朋友，好多謝有搞呢個咁嘅活動俾我哋咯。
可以大家一齊唱歌，一齊開心啦，又自己學到嘢，又貢獻俾老人家，多謝晒。
多謝。
Hi, my name is Patricia Chan. My role here is just a guitarist. It is awesome to see someone pursuing their passion regardless of age. Joining in a group of seniors, playing in a live band is a great way to share and connect it with the like-minded folks. Playing music with others can create strong band and sharing your love for music with others, and it can be a super fulfilling. You might find it is a great way to build meaningful relationship and feel more concerned. Well, I am glad to join One Hub in this instance. Thank you.
温恰好嘢啊！每年舉多1-2次，點個讚，識到好多人，好嘢！